Hi lovelies, this is Tanya and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial. It's supposed to be like a Christmassy sort of thing. When I think of Christmas, I think of like reds and greens, and those colors are so horrible together. I really don't know why that's like the whole Christmas theme thing or whatever. So I'm going to actually be, my thing for the holidays are smoky eyes for the parties, and you know, like cranberry colors, like fall colors, golds, bronzes and whatnot. So yeah, that's the look I'm going for today, and I'm going to be using, I haven't used this yet, this is what part of the Bretman for Colourpop. He came out with 2 palettes for Colourpop collaboration. I did a tutorial using the wet palette, and this is going to be the lit palette that I'm going to be using today. So this is what the colors look like. If you follow me on Instagram, I will put my handle in the screen and a link down below. If you follow me on Instagram, you will see the swatches on my hand for all the colors actually, because this palette was pretty small. It's also with some swatches for another palette, but mainly this one was like the bottom swatch. I'll put a picture in here, matter of fact. Well, why not? But yeah, so this is the colors, and I will be using the majority of the reds in here. And so yeah, so just stay tuned and catch this. Hopefully this, I adjusted my camera because it was like a little bit too dark out. I didn't know what the hell I was doing, but I got it figured out, and it seems a lot brighter now, so hopefully the colors aren't washed out completely. I'm gonna go ahead and start and use the same base I always do, which is the crayon case, the glue washable eye glue stick eye primer. And let's go ahead and get with the program. again, I absolutely, oh, let me zoom in. Absolutely love this palette. I think it's very versatile, especially for the fall winter months, because you know the colors for the fall winter are the dark, you know, the dark berries, and a lot of colors that could go with this, like the dark greens, of course your basic black. I rock black a lot during these months, and I think I just love this palette. I love his little collection. I thought it was really interesting. I have slowed down a lot on buying makeup. I used to just buy it because, you know, collecting it, and I've slowed down a lot on that because everything just looked the same, and I don't have money like that to be cashing out every time a new palette comes out. So I started, you know, being more careful about what I purchase, and I've been asking myself, like, do I need this? So shout out to Bretman and Colourpop for making those two, making the wet power palette and the lit palette. I think the wet palette I definitely could have utilized on the summer, and the lit palette I'm definitely going to utilize right now. The lip color is a combination. I had a black color from an old, like it's old, from Kylie Cosmetics, and then this Sassy by Colourpop. So it's the Elari. I hope I'm saying that right. It's the Elari for Colourpop collaboration that they did, and she came out with a few lippies and a palette and everything. But I mixed those two to get this darker red lip, this dark burgundy lip, just to go with this eye color, and I'm loving it. If you want to see where this hair came from, I will definitely put a link above. Please remind me, you guys. Sometimes I forget to put the link, and I'll put the link above for that. Also, if you want to know my foundation routine, I will have a look for that also, or a video for that also. Please don't forget to follow me on Instagram and not Snapchat, Instagram and Facebook. You can follow me. I'll put the links down below for those. Thanks for watching. Thanks for being a continuous supporter, and if you aren't, please subscribe. Love you guys. Bye.